My name is William. I'm studying at the University of Johannesburg, and my research thesis is entitled Assessing Vegetation Structure at the Klip Riversberg Nature Reserve Using Radar Technology. Since I'm studying at the University of Johannesburg, I'm based in Gauteng, and Gauteng is situated in the High Veld Plateau, which is and Gauteng is the smallest province in South Africa. Okay, so the reason why Gauteng is the best place to be studying air system science is that it is very unique climate, geological, and vegetation aspects. Unfortunately, Gauteng is not adjacent to any ocean, but it's still a very interesting place to study air system sciences. So air system sciences is the application of systems approach to air system science. Particularly, this means that it considers the interaction of all spheres, which include atmosphere, hydrosphere, biosphere, geosphere, pedosphere, and biosphere. Okay, so in this presentation, I'm going to be talking about climate, urban heat island effect, geology, and vegetation. So in respect to the climate, Gauteng enjoys climate characteristics which are of moist summers and cool, dry winters. In terms of rainfall occurs between October and November, and then it occurs on an average of 668 millimeters a year. The mean annual temperatures of Gauteng range between 19.3 degrees Celsius to 16 degrees Celsius. And Gauteng has got a large variation between winter temperatures and summer temperatures. This is mainly due to the fact that there is long clear nights with little wind and the air will be generally dry. So this means that the occurrence of frost conditions is very common. So on average, South Africa experiences frost conditions about 30 days a year. And these frost conditions are usually acclimatized to the occurrence of temperature inversions. And then also temperature inversions have an adverse effect of suppressing all the pollutants in the air closer to the ground. So the urban heat island effect. Urban heat island effect is a characteristic where in urban areas experience relatively higher temperatures compared to the rural areas. So this is the case in metropolitan areas like Johannesburg and Pretoria, where there have been temperatures which are recorded which are higher than the surrounding rural areas which have activities like agriculture and small-scale farming. The most interesting part about Gauteng is the geology, and the geology accounts for the robust mining activities in Gauteng. Right, Gauteng has got the largest and richest deposits underneath it. Gauteng plays a major role in the development of the economy, right? So one interesting fact about Gauteng is that it has the oldest geological artifact, which is the granite dome, which is situated between Johannesburg and Pretoria. And then a larger proportion of the area consists of the Transvaal supergroup, which contains the large gold deposits, platinum, and quartz pebble. Then lastly, we want to talk about the vegetation. And Gauteng consists of two of South Africa's vegetation biomes, which are the grassland, which consists of about 71%, and the savanna biome, which consists about 29%. So the most significant is the grassland biome, which consists of the largest area. And one other important fact about the grassland biome is that it's adversely impacted by human activities, and it has a very low irreplaceability percentage. So the grassland savanna in Gauteng is found in the Soweto Highlands, grassland Carlton Dolomite, grassland, and the Randpark Highveld. Thank you.